The A320, the Airbus prodigy, was to have a destiny that none of its creators could ever have imagined. It is the result of an exciting and passionate challenge, quite unique in the history of commercial aviation, and one which will symbolize for years to come the philosophy of an aircraft constructor and its idea of what an aircraft is all about, an aircraft family. The A320, a saga that can be told in the past, the present, and also the future. It is 1984 and Airbus is celebrating its 15th anniversary. Having had a first taste of success with the A300 and A310, a new challenge must now be met. Firstly, a commercial challenge, by moving into the short and medium haul market so outrageously dominated by the Americans, but also an industrial challenge that will allow Airbus to radically change its way of designing and developing a new aircraft. The A320, with a capacity of 130 to 160 seats, would once again prove that Airbus, ahead of the competition, was able to read the way the short and medium-haul aircraft market was going at the turn of the 1980s, when two aircraft dominated the market, the Douglas MD-80 and the Boeing 737.
Quand on est en concurrence avec des gens qui ont la réputation et la qualité de travail de Boeing ou de Douglas, ce n'est pas en faisant comme eux qu'on peut vendre un avion. Il faut faire mieux qu'eux et nettement mieux qu'eux.
Doing better than the competition meant creating an aircraft that was able to offer airlines new and original possibilities. You could say revolutionary possibilities. A challenge Airbus would take up by trying to meet, first and foremost, the economic concerns of the airlines. For starters, the A320 would have a wider and longer cabin than its competitors, meaning more room and comfort for passengers, more space and ergonomics for freight. The aircraft would be developed with not one but two different makes of engine, essential for airlines to choose the engines that fit in best with the other aircraft in their fleet.
Puis on a fait le fly-by-wire et j'ai proposé une architecture de commande de vol électrique après de nombreuses discussions avec des petites mains de l'aérospatiale qui me disent on sait le faire, c'est ça qu'il faut faire. Bon, c'est très bien, c'est parfait. Vous le mettrez au point, il volera à l'heure, vous le certifierez à l'heure, promis, juré, en avant, on y va. Et la 320 a été lancée sur ces bases-là.